Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Now previous class we are completed level 2 13 problems. Now I am going to discuss 14th problem onwards. Students, see the question. Integration 0 to 1 log x by under root 1 minus x squared. 1 minus x squared. So we know that formulas 1 minus sine squared theta, 1 minus cos squared theta. So we are decided that in place of x, take sine theta or cos theta, anyone. So I am going to take sine theta. X is equal to sine theta. Then what is dx? Dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Now change the limits also. So what is theta here? Theta is equal to sine inverse x. Now if theta is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 0, then what is theta value? X is equal to 0. Theta value, sine inverse of 0, 0. X is equal to 1, then theta. Sine inverse of 1, that is pi by 2. Those values substitute in the question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log sine theta divided by denominator, see that under root 1 minus sine squared theta, that is cos theta or not, into dx means cos theta d theta. Here cos theta cancel. Now we get finally, this is we can take let I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 log sine theta d theta. So here apply the property. Integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x property. What happens? See, logarithm of sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta, students? That is cos theta or not? 0 to pi by 2, we get logarithm of cos theta. So next what we have to do? This is equation 1. This is 2. Add 1 and 2. Left hand side we get 2i. Then right hand side integration 0 to pi by 2. Both are having same integration and limits also. Now log of sine theta plus log of cos theta. This is in the form of log A log B. What is log A log B? Log AB or not? Integration 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of sine theta cos theta d theta. Here see, sine theta cos theta is there. So now we need 2. So numerator multiply with 2 and denominator also. 2 sine theta cos theta formula, sine 2 theta or not? So this is, I am going to write like this, 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of sine 2 theta and divided by 2 is set. That is in the form of log A by B. Log A minus log B. I am applying that formula. Students, are you understood? Next. See here what we have to do. Here again, 2 theta is equal to, take t, 2 theta is equal to t. Then what is d theta? D theta is equal to dt by 2. Then what are the limits? If theta is equal to 0, then what is t value? That is also 0. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then what is t value? T value is pi. Those values substitute in the question. Now 0 to pi log t into dt by 2 minus. This is log 2 is constant, take outside. Integration 1 dx x 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now here see that one property is there. One property is there. 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 log t. So this is not log t, sorry, log sine t. So I am written mistake. Here is a mistake. This is sine t. So logarithm of sine theta, sorry, sine t into dt by 2. These two take here. Are you observe here? Upper limit pi by 2 I am written, in front of this 2 I am written. This property already you know very well. Now log 2 into here upper limit minus lower limit. So see, observe here, left hand side 2i is there. Now right hand side 2 to cancel. This is observe that 0 to pi by 2 log sine t. 0 to pi by 2 log sine theta d theta. Just both are same, variable is the different. So instead of that, we can write I, that is equal to minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, now these I send to left hand side. Final answer you will get like this. Final answer you will get like this. That is I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. So finally, what I am saying means, what is I? 0 to pi by 2 log of sine theta or sine x, whatever may be, sine theta d theta, or 0 to pi by 2 log of cos theta, that is equal to, what is the answer? Minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the answer. So this is one standard result. Remember it. Okay. Now see the answer. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Integration 0 to infinite log 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square means we know that formula, 1 plus tan squared theta and 1 plus cot squared theta. So that's why instead of x, take tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Then what is dx? Dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Now take the limits. What is theta here? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. If x is equal to 0, then what is theta value? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 0, 0. If x is equal to pi by 2, sorry, x is equal to infinite, then what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of infinite, that is pi by 2. Now Those values substitute in the question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta into dx means secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta cancel, and the numerator integration 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of 1 plus tan square theta means that is secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta, how to write? 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta means we can write that is cos power minus 2 theta. Here the power is coming in front of the logarithm. That means minus 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of cos theta d theta. 0 to pi by 2 log cos theta d theta. Here already we have proved that value. Substitute. Just that value substitute. Minus 2 into minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 to cancel. Negative into negative positive. So final answer is pi log 2. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? First option. 16th question. Integration minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log cos x plus sin x. This is in the form of integration minus a to a f of x dx. So what is the formula? Integration, or we can use another property, integration a to b f of x dx, that is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x now. So I am taking I is equal to integration minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 logarithm of cos x plus sin x dx. Now apply the property integration minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 logarithm of cos pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x plus sin into pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x dx. So here minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 cancel here also. Cos of minus x cos x, but sin of minus x minus sin x. So we get the answer like this here, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 logarithm of cos x minus sin x dx. So this is think 1, this is 2, both add 1 and 2. Left hand side we get I plus I 2i. In right hand side minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 logarithm of cos x plus sin x. This is the first term plus second term log of cos x minus sin x. Students, here observe that This is in the form of log A plus log B. What is log A plus log B formula? Log AB or not? Log AB. So minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log AB. AB means, observe that, cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. That is cos square x minus sin square x. What is cos square x minus sin square x formula? Cos 2x or not? Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 logarithm of cos 2x dx. Here do one thing. Let 2x is equal to theta. Then what is dx? Dx is equal to d theta by 2. Now change the limits. If x is equal to minus pi by 4, then what is theta? Theta is minus pi by 2. If x is equal to plus pi by 4, then theta is pi by 2. Those values substitute. Now, what happened? See, integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 logarithm of cos theta into d theta by 2. Integration minus a to a is there, means how we are writing? 2 into integration 0 to a now, that is 0 to pi by 2 log of cos theta into d theta by 2. So here 2 to cancel. Now finally integration 0 to pi by 2 log cos theta value is how much? Minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the answer.